What's going on, guys? So we are here another day, another great hike. Today we have this guy from the same hike last week, Musbi, and we have Mr. Suhail, a guest hiker for today. He wanted to come with us and try. So like we said, we're gonna try to make it a habit every week, once or every other week, and try to vlog the hike for you guys. So this one is called Black Star. It's located near Irvine, California. It's supposed to be a hard hike. It's about 6 miles, I think. 6 miles or 7? Like six and a half maybe. Also it should have a waterfall in the end, but I think it's dry. As you can see, the weather, I'll show you on the way now. It's not that it hasn't rained in a while. So anyways, we're gonna take you guys with us and show you the hike. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are about almost a mile away. I think we are gonna, at some point we're gonna arrive to the direction so we can head to the fall. But now we just stopped real quick to get some water and stuff. Check this out. Okay guys, we made it to the point where we're gonna go to the falls. So it took us about an hour to get to this point from the start. And here it is. You can either go this way, which is about 16 miles, or that way, where we're going. Check it out. Black Star Canyon. Here we go. How is it so far?
Amazing, man. Walking in the bath of the water.
Are you tired?
Not yet.
How is it, Suhail?
Amazing.
You good?
Yes.
Let's go.
ما في الفول نشف الشيء ولا ايش؟ Somehow it feels like Jurassic
That's it?
Park.
No, I don't think that's it, man.
That's it.
I don't think that's it. We just.
Oh, so that's it والله.
No, bro. What is the? Nice. Nice job.
Excuse me, here is the
Nice
living
job.
room.
Nice job. Guys, we made it.
No
So,
water though, but
yeah, this is supposed to be where the water is coming from. But as you can see, there is no water because of the drought. But we made it. It took us about 2 hours and like 10 minutes to the waterfall. And all I can say is this place is magical even without a waterfall. We are almost to the top. Can barely breathe now. This is some serious hike, guys. Wow, wow, wow. How do you feel?
it's pretty good.
Check this out.
Oh,
He can't come up. Come up. He's gonna make it. Guys, we have made it. It's the top of the hike. Where is the end then? What's up, guys? We have made it now. It took us about 3.5 hours, I would say, all the way to this point. But it's worth it. Check this out. We made it! Woo! All the way to the top, baby. What a beauty.